should call her.
No. If you call her when she asks you not to, you're just going to look weak and you're going to regret it. Now listen, whenever you feel like calling her, you come find me first, and I will punch you in the face.
Jerk!
But mama,
Yo, you good, bro?
man, that shit didn't hurt. Oh, it didn't hurt, huh?
No!
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, have you ever just... Who is this?
Nope.
Not today.
Please, man.
You know when I was your age, I used to go to this school.
Oh, yeah?
Yep, right where you stand is where I got my ass ate. Where you go?
Already know I had to get my boy right with the homemade soup. You know what's crazy though? He probably can't even taste the rat poison. Oh, it's a joke.
Oh, y'all smell like fish to me.
I love you, Mom. I love you, too. It's crazy. I was just telling everyone at work. I'm failing on my classes. How?